Hey everyone, how's it going? If you're new here, I'm Samantha and I go by Thrifty on a Dime on all my social media platforms. I talk all things reselling, whether it be online as well as in person, so be sure you do subscribe, hit that little bell if that sounds like something you're interested in. So I love thredup mystery boxes so much, I decided to get another men's one. I like their men's mystery boxes, but I feel like they're priced a little higher than women's as far as you don't get as much in them. But it's typically stuff that's new with tags, which is nice. Just not amazing brands that are new with tags. So yeah, I picked up a 25-pound box. I think one time I got a 50 if I'm not mistaken. But today's is just a 25-pound. So I figured I would share with you guys what I got inside. So this box came from... was it the Pennsylvania? Yeah, it was the Pennsylvania warehouse, which is one of my favorites. Pennsylvania and Georgia, I really like getting items from. But yeah, let's go ahead and share what's inside. Did I say how much? I paid $110 and then it was like $118 after taxes for 25 pounds. So we'll see how many items I got for that amount. Again, the women's, I usually get a ton more. So as soon as I opened the box, I saw a pair of shoes and they're new with tags. I like getting new tag shoes for men's, especially in a nice size, which I believe these are 11.5. I've never heard of the brand, yeah. Never heard of the brand, but I do remember seeing this. So I do think these are gonna be worth it. We shall see. All right, we got some kind of fleece here. It is new tags for 99 bucks, that's good. But I've never heard of the brand. Jack's, I think, maybe? Jake's. But yeah, it's just a fleece. I don't pick up a whole lot of men's to sell, so I'm excited to get like a mystery box so then I don't have to hunt. I don't know what sells in men's, so I like suck. This is a Nike ACG. Nothing fancy. Charles Thurwit. Just a nice button down. Jeans fashion. So this is nothing crazy, but I like the print. It's got a crocodile or alligator print on it. Does it have a size tag though? It certainly doesn't. Oh, there it is, size 42. Okay, at least it has a size on it, but yeah, it's just a no-name brand, pretty sure. All right, Tommy Bahama. Tommy Bahama can be good, but it also is kind of played out, so I have a iffy time selling some things. All right, Columbia. This is kind of ugly, Columbia. Not even gonna lie. I think I might, oh, there's a stain though. Might put that one in my garage sale, especially because it has a stain. I don't really want to mess with it. Let's see, 33 by 32. I know somebody could get the stain out because it's just an oil one. All right, these are new with tags. What's the original price? $59. Not too bad, and it's a 33 by 32. It's a good size. What we got here? NFL gear, size large. Oh, Dallas Cowboys. Bonobos. I've not heard of that one. I was hoping this would be, oh gosh, what am I thinking of? Woolrich. Totally had a brain fart. Blaming it on the pregnancy. All right, Croft and Barrow. It looks like it is probably new with tags. I'm not sure. It's kind of a cool print. It reminds me of like a fox suede. It wouldn't be a thredup box without career pants. Oh, this is a shirt. Blakely Original. But it's new with tags. American Eagle. So a lot of this is gonna have to be steamed before I can resell it for sure, which stinks because that's an extra step for me. American Eagle. These are 34 by 32s. is a decent box, especially if you watched my women's 200 pound. I'm definitely thankful to get some good, semi-good stuff. Antigua. Just praying I don't get the Arizona warehouse again. That was horrible. Banana Republic, new with tags. I can already tell this is Vineyard Vines. I like that hot pink. That's so cute. What we got? Yeah. Kenneth Cole. Not a huge fan of blazers. I know some people do really well at selling the blazers, but not me so much. All right, J. Crew. Old Navy. Zara Man. Zara does okay. And that feels like it's linen. All right, some kind of jersey, but it's just a no-name jersey. And then another Bonobos. I feel like that brand sticks out. Maybe I'll have to run comps on it. But more than likely, I'll go ahead and just list all of this, to be honest. Men's is a hit or miss with me, but I mean, all of this is in really good condition and it looks like nice stuff and good sizes. So, I mean, if it's cheap enough, I think it'll sell. LL Bean, other than maybe this. This, I spoke too soon. I don't know about those. Those look a little dated. Joe's A. Banks. And the last item is a pair of Gap. Just like cargo shorts. I like the orange. It's kind of a cool orange. Okay, let me count how many items in all the garage box. All right, I'm back. So it was 27 items, just like I thought. Although they were great items, 27 makes it close to $4 an item. So, I mean, cost of goods is a little higher in the men's boxes than the women's. So you gotta hope that there are some nicer pieces in there, which the shoes alone, I do believe will pay for most of this box, especially that they're new with tags. I'll have to look up the brand just to make sure, but I'm almost positive. So that means that it kind of gives me a little leeway to price things a little cheaper, some of the items, and hopefully some of them can be priced up more than 15, hopefully more like 20. But we'll see. So again, thank you so much for watching. If there's a box that you want me to buy and unbox for you guys, I'd love to. I still am selling out of the jewelry one that one time that I got, because I ended up getting some Pandora pieces. So maybe I'll buy that one again sometime. I don't know. But there was a ton of other jewelry, so it was just like, it wasn't stuff I really want to list online. But going to Plato's Closet and Style Encore and having garage sales, it kind of gives me the option to purchase this large amount of stuff and still be able to find a way to sell it, since I don't have a storefront, but eventually maybe one day I will. I don't know. We'll see where reselling takes me. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope everybody has an amazing day.